Think you know English well? Let's find out, in just 10 minutes. In this fun and fast-paced English test, we'll cover vocabulary, grammar, and reading comprehension. Don't worry, it's designed for beginners, but some questions are tricky enough to make you think twice. Some questions might surprise you, and that's part of the fun. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment to think or write down your answers. So, grab a pen and paper, get ready to challenge yourself, and let's start the test. Before we begin, here are the simple rules for this 10-minute English challenge. No cheating, answer honestly and trust your instincts. Time yourself, the test lasts 10 minutes max. Don't scroll ahead, try to answer each question in order. Write your answers down so you can track your score. Share your results in the comments, we'd love to see how you did. Remember, this isn't a school test, it's a fun challenge for your brain. Section 1, Vocabulary Test. Let's start with some vocabulary questions. These will test your understanding of common, and sometimes tricky, English words. Remember, pause the video if you need time to think. Question 1. Choose the word closest in meaning to happy, A. Sad, B. Joyful, C. Angry. Question 2. Fill in the blank. I ___ to the store yesterday. A. Went, B. Go, C. Will go. Question 3. Identify the odd word out, cat, dog, car, rabbit. Question 4. Which word is opposite in meaning to difficult? A. Easy, B. Hard, C. Confusing. Question 5. Fill in the blank. She ___ a book every week. A. Reads, B. Read, C. Reading. Question 6. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. I have ___ apples than you. A. Less, B. Fewer, C. Little. Take a moment to check your answers in your head or on paper. If you got them right, fantastic. If not, don't worry, we'll explain the correct answers in the next section. Vocabulary takes practice, and every question helps your brain learn English faster. Section 2, Grammar Challenge. Now it's time to test your grammar. These questions will help you practice sentence structure, tenses, and prepositions. Remember to pause the video if you need time to think. Question 1. Correct the sentence, he don't like pizza. Take a moment to fix it in your head or on paper. Question 2. Choose the correct tense, she ___ already finished her homework. A. Has, B. Have, C. Had. Question 3. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition, I am interested ___ learning English. A. In, B. On, C. At. Question 4. Correct the sentence if needed, they goes to school every day. Here's a quick tip, pay attention to subject-verb agreement, the verb must match the subject. Watch your tense consistency, past, present, and future tenses need to make sense. And prepositions can be tricky, but with practice, you'll naturally know which one fits. Pause now, write your answers, and don't worry if you got some wrong, we'll explain everything in the answer section. Every mistake is a step closer to improving your English. Section 3, Reading Comprehension. Next, let's test your reading comprehension. Read the passage carefully, then answer the questions. Remember, understanding short texts is a key step toward English fluency. Passage 1, Tom loves reading books. Every morning, he reads for 30 minutes. He especially likes adventure stories. Questions. What does Tom love? How long does he read in the morning? What type of books does he enjoy the most? Passage 2, Anna wakes up early every day. She walks her dog in the park before breakfast. Walking makes her feel happy and ready for the day. Questions. What does Anna do every morning? Where does she walk her dog? How does walking make her feel? Take your time to answer, pause if you need to write your answers down. Remember, reading comprehension is not just about knowing individual words. It's about understanding the meaning of sentences and paragraphs. Practicing this will help you read faster, understand more, and speak English more confidently. Section 4, Listening and Pronunciation Test. Now it's time to practice your listening and pronunciation. English pronunciation can be tricky because some words sound very different from how they're written. But with practice, your ears and mouth will get used to it. Exercise 1, listen carefully and choose the correct spelling of the word you hear. Options: A, though, B, through, C, thought. Exercise 2, identify the word from pronunciation. Word spoken /sked.ol/. Options: A, schedule, B, shield, C, school. Exercise 3, repeat these words out loud. Island. Comfortable. Wednesday. Say each word slowly at first, then try saying it naturally. Speaking out loud helps your brain remember the correct sounds and improves both your listening and speaking skills. Remember, don't worry if some words feel hard at first. English pronunciation is full of surprises, but practicing regularly will make it much easier over time. Section 5, Idioms and Phrases. Let's explore some common English idioms and expressions. Learning these helps you sound more natural in conversations. Question 1. What does break the ice mean? A. Shatter glass. B. Start a conversation. C. Go swimming. Question 2. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. She's feeling under the ___ today. A. Weather. B. Dog. C. Moon. Question 3. What does hit the books mean? A. Throw a book. B. Study hard. C. Close the library. Pause the video to think about your answers. Idioms can be tricky because their meanings aren't always literal. But learning them will make your English sound more fluent and natural. After each question, we'll explain the correct answer so you can understand how these phrases are used in real conversations. Section 6, Quick Writing Challenge. Now it's time to test your writing skills. Writing helps you practice grammar, vocabulary, and sentence formation all at once. Exercise 1, write 2 to 3 sentences describing your morning routine. Try to use simple words and correct tense. Exercise 2, rewrite this sentence correctly. I goes to school every day. Pause the video and take a few minutes to write your answers. Don't worry if it's not perfect, the goal is to practice and improve. Regular writing practice is key to becoming fluent in English. The more you write, the more confident you'll feel using English in real life. Section 7, Scoring and Self-Evaluation. Now it's time to see how you did. Here's a simple scoring guide. 0 to 5 correct answers, beginner. 6 to 10 correct answers, intermediate. 11 or more correct answers, advanced. Don't worry if you didn't get everything right, mistakes are part of learning. Take note of the sections that felt tricky and review them later. With practice, your English will improve quickly, and next time, you'll score even higher. Keep challenging yourself and have fun while learning. Congratulations! You've completed the 10-minute English challenge, great job! Now it's time to share your results. Comment your score below and let us know how you did. Challenge a friend too, see if they can beat your score. Here's a quick tip, practice a little every day. Small, consistent efforts work much better than cramming all at once. If you enjoyed this challenge, subscribe to our channel for more fun English tests, exercises, and tips to improve your skills fast. Keep learning, and keep having fun. Here are 3 quick tips to improve your English skills. Learn 5 new words every day, small but powerful. Speak aloud to practice fluency and confidence. Read or listen to English content for at least 10 minutes daily. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Keep practicing, and you'll see progress faster than you think.